Happy Independence Day to all. Today I have posted a short speech on Independence Day which I was celebrating in my school. I have received a number of comments, suggestions, praise, likes from my old students, from my teachers, from my friends, and from my well wishers. Most of my students they have requested me to speak little bit more about India's Independence Day. You know, professionally I am a teacher and the teacher of history. So I had a unique identity as a teacher and my recognition in the society among the students as a teacher. When I have posted this speech, many have requested me to speak about Independence India. So let me take some time and speak. Independence India. You know, India received her cherished dream of independence from the clutches of British hegemony on 15th August 1947. After the independence, we the Indians become the maker of our own destiny. We have prepared our constitution which made India a democratic, socialistic, secular, republican government with federal structure, unitary spirit, secular tempo, democratic value, and republican government. Independent India has done a commendable job in the world. We the Indians are techno-savvy. Our scientific development and technological advancement is praiseworthy and well appreciated globally. Peace and non-violence, peaceful coexistence, mutual understanding, live and let others to live, peace at home and peace in abroad. These are the foreign policy India has been following and at the same time keeping its own dignity, identity with the neighbors as well as other countries. We the Indians taught the world what is non-violence, what is peace. We command the respect of the world because of our humanitarian approach, because of our scientific knowledge, because of our tremendous human resource. Our space mission, Mangalyaan, nanotechnology, nuclear weapons, health and hygienic development, agricultural development, industrial growth is setting the example for all the world community. World is wonder, a country with 135 million people, how maintains the spirit of secularism. A country with such a high number of population, how can be free from all type of quarrels where other small countries are facing. My dear students, it is because of our capacity to bear our culture, our heritage, our tradition, our custom, our practices, our vibrant cultural ethos. My dear children, my dear students, now the world is under the clutches of the pandemic corona. True independence is a question mark now, not only for India but for the humanity. The corona has changed the livelihood of many people, destroyed the economic status of many countries, changed the socio-economic and political get-up and setup for many countries. It has taken away the freedom of movement. It has taken away the freedom of wishing others with freely, meeting others cordially, moving without fear. Now we are not in independence. We are confined in the four walls of the house. You, the custodian of future India, the youth, the student mass, the doctors, the scientists, the engineers, should play a vital role to get rid of this pandemic. Work hard, give the world the best, and remove this corona. Children, now corona in its peak. I hope, you hope, and the world also hopes we will overcome. We shall overcome. There is no doubt about it. Because ups and downs are the two sides of a single coin. Now corona is in its up and down is inevitable and it is 100% sure. I must appreciate, I must praise, I must owe my gratitude to these corona warriors, the doctors, the health workers, the cleanly personals, the nurse, the police personals for their commendable job, for their praiseworthy job, without fear, without thinking about their family, without thinking about own health. They are dedicating their lives, moving here and there and teaching us how to live with corona, how to win over corona. I salute all the warriors of corona for their sacrifice, dedication, duty mindedness. My dear students, think good, plan better, and do the best. Don't ask what Bharat Mata will give you. Ask and say what you can give to your motherland, Mother India. Janani Janmabhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi. You know, patriotism, nationalistic feeling is the blood of each and every Indians. We have to prove that India for Indians. We should show the world community and pose a threat to the United Nations Security Council to give a permanent birth. We are self-sufficient, well equipped with nuclear weapon. Our science, our technology, our human resource is receiving the appreciation of the world. We, the Indians, show the world community how to live with peacefully. The land of Buddha, Mahavira, Gandhi, Mahatma, Swami Vivekananda and Guru Nanak. The land of Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Narmada, Sindhu, Kaveri. The land of Himalaya, the land of many cultures, many religions, many languages, many traditions, many customs. We have a diversity in all aspects, but in one, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Kutch to Namchad Barua, India is for Indians. We love our motherland. We respect our motherland. We can do everything and anything for our mother India. I don't want to take more time, my dear students. I just want to put this video in YouTube so that my old students, friends and well-wishers, they can think and they will just feel the sense of patriotism and nationalism within themselves. And my dear children, I expect and whole world expect from you, the youth, should think in a creative manner, innovative ways. The ideas, ideals, and the ideology of Gandhiji, Shastriji, Nehruji are read, heard, and forgotten. We should revive. At the same time, we should balance between the culture and modernity. We should build a bridge between ancient glory and modern development. We should synthesize our cultural ethos with our modern technology. We should mesmerize, we should amalgamate all these ideas, what our forefathers taught to us. At the same time, by using our brain, we should make India the global leader. We should follow the principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. I expect you should come to the expectation of your parents, your neighbors, your society, and your country. We should expect, we should set an example for our future generation to think for living such a country which has a vibrant cultural ethos of thousand years. My respect to Mother India, my ode to the great personalities who has sacrificed their lives for the country. Mind, India is not only the land of Gandhi and Shastriji, Vivekananda, who are only the follower of peace, non-violence. We are the successor of these great personalities like Chandrasekhar Azad, Mangal Pandey, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, who believed tit for tat. When thing comes, the LOC to LAC, we have taught the lesson to them. We are doing the things what is right. We are showing to the world community, India believes peace, but if anybody show eyes, India has the capacity to teach a lesson to the people, those who want to do any type of mischiefs for our country. My dear students, my dear children, and my dear well-wishers, I am wishing you all a happy Independence Day and expect the independence will come truly to the all Indians. The barriers of poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, terrorism, casteism, communalism will not stand the hindrance of our development. Prosperity, progress, technological advancement, scientific developments, employment opportunity, literacy, all will replace all these age old barriers and make India a land of progress, prosperity, and development. Thank you, one and all. Jai Hind, Bande Bharat Mata.